Namaste, and welcome to another class, Qigong with Bob and Fran. In today's class, we're going to work our back, upper back, mid back, lower back, getting our back to be strong, be flexible, and pain-free. So let's begin. The first exercise we're going to teach you is called the three-way back exercise to get the upper, middle, and lower back. We start with soft fists, and we raise the fists up to about shoulder height and push the fists back, opening the chest. And then we curl in the hands, so the knuckles are facing in from the knuckles all the way down to the elbows, if you can do it. And then bend forward just a bit, so the elbows come into the chest. So this opens and works to energize the upper back. So let's repeat that. We're going to open, we're going to close, and then we're going to sink down, elbows in toward the chest, upper back. This time we're going to open again, close the same way, fists down to the elbows, and then sink the elbows in toward your belly. This is to work the mid-back. And we rise, we open, close again. This time we're going to come down in sort of a fetal position with the elbows down toward the groin area, or as far down as you can without going through your comfort zone. Then inhale and rise. Then we open and turn to the right, twisting the spine gently, then back to center, and then we close, come down a little, then we open and turn to the left. Good. Let's repeat the cycle again. Turn in, bend forward, elbows to chest for the upper back. Inhale and rise, open the chest here, fold the arms in, the elbows come down to the belly area for the mid-back. Rise, open, close and sink, elbows in toward the groin. Really feels good in the lower back. Rise, we're going to open and turn right. Close in the center, sink slightly. Then we're going to open and turn left. Good. Let's do the complete cycle once final time. Open, turn the hands in, bend forward just a little, elbows to the chest. This works the upper back. Open, come back in, bend forward a little more, elbows to the belly area, middle back. Open, close, and sink down toward the groin area. You can feel that perfect for the lower back. In breath, open, turn right. Slowly turn to center and close. And then we open and turn left. Nice gentle twist to the spine. And we open and gently close out this three-way back exercise. So the second of the two exercises that we're going to feature today is called curl forward and arch back. We start with our feet separated a little wider than shoulder width. And we're going to start by bending forward with the hands down toward about the height of the knees, with the backs of the hands touching. So this is what we mean by curling forward. You can feel that opening your entire back. And then we're going to rise and roll the hands out, thumbs toward the back, arching back slightly, but keeping the chin down, not up. You could feel that in the lower back. Then we come back to standing, palms facing the back, and we do what's called a heel drop. So we come up on our toes and just drop onto our heels, sort of jarring us. Sink, curling forward, arching back. Remember, keep the chin down. Stand straight, palms to the back, heel drop. Inhale and just pop. Drop on your heels. Repeating again. Curl forward, back of the hands touch. Inhale and draw the arms back. Wrists turning back, chest coming out. Stand straight, palms to the back. Heel drop. Well, let's do one final one. And by the way, if you feel uncomfortable doing the heel drop, you can take a pass on it. It's not necessary, but we find it to be a nice little extra for us. Heel drop. There you have it. 2 back exercises that you should practice every day. And so, we ask you, if you enjoyed today's lessons and want more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button as well, so we can send you a notice when a new and fresh video is produced and out there for you to see. So we will end just as we began. We wish you well, have a great day, and namaste.
Namaste.